Hello you beautiful people, it's me Mikey. As you can see, I'm wearing my longer hair system at the moment and it's time to change it up a little bit. I want to go shorter. So you're going to need your bond remover, you're going to need your scalp protector, you're going to need your glue, whatever glue you decide to use. If you use it, you're going to need your tape and you're going to need your cotton wool pads. And of course, you're going to need your alternative system, which in this case is my shorter one. You want to remove the system with your solvent from the back to the front. Never remove from the front. The front is the weakest part. We are now shaving down the head to make sure we get the best stick. So now my beautiful friend Chris is fitting the tape onto the system, so I have it all around the parameter. And this is achieved because obviously the tape is straight and you're going to need it to go round the curve of the system. You do that by cutting into kind of triangle-esque and overlapping each one. Just quickly, this hair system is provided by the amazing LaVivid. This is a custom system with highlights. It's number 5 and number 22 in highlights. It is a custom built system base, so it's a mixture of mono, skin and lace front. I swear by lace front. This is what I feel is the most natural looking hairline in my opinion. So you want to use them scissors to kind of flatten off the edge because you want that edge to be real stuck down. Thank you so much to LaVivid for providing the hair. Thank you to Watford Uppercuts for fitting it.